Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. In today's video, we are making this flavorful and delicious moimoi. This is a very easy moimoi recipe with very few ingredients. With this recipe, you don't have to peel your beans. It's very quick. So let's get started. So here our beans have already been washed and soaked overnight. Place the soaked beans in a bowl. Add some chili pepper, onions, garlic, some water, and blend until smooth. Once we are done blending, we will whisk the mixture to incorporate some air and make our batter fluffy. Once our beans batter is fluffy, we will add some salt. Next, palm oil and mix. Your moimoi batter should have a similar consistency to mine. It should not be too thin, otherwise it won't form. And also when it's too thick, it will be a bit hard once it has cooled down. Next, we'll add some sardines. The sardines add a rich flavor to the moimoi. If you don't like the sardines, you can also add some smoked or cooked mackerel or some corned beef and mix thoroughly. Next, we'll grease our baking dish with some palm oil and scoop some of the butter into it. Shake it a bit to level everything. Next, we'll bake our moimoi in a preheated oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. Or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted into the center. Our moimoi is ready now and it looks and smells so good. Guys, this moimoi was flavorful and super delicious. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this easy and yummy moimoi recipe. If you enjoyed this video, then watch the Ghanaian recipes playlist next. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.